How to fix overheating on Poco M8. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, if you want to fix overheating issue, so click on battery. After click on battery, click on charging options. After click on charging options, make sure click on standard. After click on standard, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so go back and click on display and brightness and click on dark mode. After click on dark mode, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can overheating fix on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.